Hi, Janet Lane here. I know you've seen the muffler car at the Seeburg on West Sunshine. It's been an icon in the Springfield community for many years. Well, the muffler car needs a name, and this is your chance to help us out by entering the Name the Muffler Car contest. All you have to do is become a Facebook fan of Seeburg Muffler and Brake, click on the contest tab, and submit your idea. Judges will pick 3 names, and you'll have the chance to vote for your favorite. You could win $250 in cash, $200 in Seeburg services, and a year's worth of oil changes. Get your brain to work and help us find a great name for the muffler car. Like Seeburg Muffler on Facebook today.